Hi everyone, today we are at the Trail Canyon Trail and it's gonna be awesome. We tried coming here a few months ago after visiting a winery and we just got here too late. But it's a hike to a waterfall.
Okay, so it's about 4 miles round trip. I think it's a little more than that, and 30-foot waterfall at the end, which we're super excited about, and we're gonna get to go to the top and the bottom of the waterfall.
Woo!
So that's gonna be exciting. We're just hoping that there's water in the waterfall.
So, do we think this will be as nice as the Costa Rican waterfalls?
Definitely not.
Not quite.
But it was a little closer, not quite as far to
We
get
didn't
here.
have to go nearly
It
as
was about
far.
less than 30-minute drive from home, so.
And it is pretty beautiful out here. Well, not the prettiest of water, but it's something. Hopefully there's something at the top. We'll see. There's so many people out here, which we should have known. It is a Sunday, but Christine was off, so we went. One thing I never understand is people who bring music out on these hikes, like they bring a speaker so everyone has to listen to their music. It's like, are you really trying to escape the city, or are you trying to bring all the stupid sounds you have in the city to the country and making me listen to it as well? Rant over. Oh, many waterfalls. Way too many people on the trail. We decided to take one of the offshoot trails, which overall has been a good decision. We got away from people, but I don't think we're any longer on the trail to see the waterfall, so we'll see. All right, it just keeps getting denser and denser, so we are gonna head back to the main trail, but we got more experience. Yeah, it was a good idea. Okay, we found another offshoot trail. This one before we got all the way back to the original one, and it feels more like a real trail, so let's see if it leads somewhere. As Christine just said right now, it was nice to be away from all the people. There's the waterfall. It's Christine looking over the edge.
I'm trying not to fall.
Yeah, don't fall. No falling here.
No. I can't. I can't reach that far.
Top of the waterfall. Awesome. Christine opting for the butt scoot instead of the rope.
Yeah.
In typical Christine fashion. Waterfall.
I like the waterfall. All the moss makes it look really nice. makes up for the lack of size.
What are we doing right now?
We're hurrying back to the rope so that we don't have to wait in line like we did to come down for like literally at least 10 minutes.
Good call. Still gonna have to wait for the kids, but won't have to wait for all of those people. All right, that was a pretty fun hike. You know, definitely not our favorite, but also definitely worth the price of admission, which was $0. You only pay in steps, so get a good workout coming up here. Oh, how far have we gone, Christine?
I'm glad you asked, since I just looked. We've gone 5.5 miles and we're still maybe half a mile or so from the car, so got a nice 6 miles, including that wrong turn.
But it could definitely be done in 5 if you don't go on the other excursions that we went on. So yeah, pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, we would super appreciate if you'd give it that thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos, click over there, or to subscribe, click over there. Do it, do it, do it. Bye.
You know, but also like downhill.
Yeah. Christine just found out I'm a really good skipper.
But not surprised at all, just new information.
Seriously, skipping, I'm good. Is that my hidden talent?
Oh man, I hope not.
Yeah, me too.
I think you have others.
Okay. Okay, bye again. Mess him up, Rhonda! I mean, fake wrestling, Rhonda!